Hey guys, SDR Collision was kind enough to let me go ahead and prep my UPR K-member here at their shop. So I'm here today tearing apart the old K-member, and we are going to just be reusing the spindles, and the rest of that is going in the trash because we have all new UPR goodies that I'll show you soon.
There's no eye on team, but my eyes on winning. I'ma drive the lane until the timer says finish. I won't tone it down, not even for a minute. I'm working like a champion until they say he did it. Never holding back, shooting higher than the Rockies. They just hold the ball stationary like a golf team. Fighting for the W like I'm playing hockey. Speeding to the finish like I'm racing Kawasaki. Winning. 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 Better focus, I'm all in. Is that all you got? Come on, I know you can do better than that. Okay. Yeah, all my chips out. This my game face. It's going downhill. Hope you brought skates. You thought you win big. Now you irate. We not talking chump change. These are high stakes.
So here's the before and after from the first one. I didn't do much to the hub, but got rid of that nasty stuff on the spindle.
Better focus, I'm all in. All in. All in. All in. Better focus, I'm all in. All in. All in. All in. Better focus, I'm all in. I'm on a roll. Better focus, I'm all in. I'm on a roll. Better focus, I'm all in. I'm on a roll. Better focus, I'm all in. I'm on a roll. There's no eye on team, but my eyes on winning. I'ma drive the lane until the timer says finish. I won't tone it down, not even for a minute. I'm working like a champion until they say he did it. Never holding back, shooting higher than the Rockies. They just hold the ball stationary like a golf team. Fighting for the W like I'm playing hockey. Speeding to the finish like I'm racing Kawasaki.